Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to pay with PayPal credit on eBay. By following along, you'll be able to make your purchase using PayPal credit by the end of the video. First, open the eBay website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, browse for an item you want to purchase. Let's say this is the item you want to buy using PayPal credit. Click on the item to open its listing, then proceed to the checkout page. Once you're at the checkout, under the Pay With section, select PayPal Credit. After selecting PayPal Credit, a new section will appear asking you to log into your PayPal account. Simply log in, follow the prompts, and complete the process. And that's it. Your purchase will be made using PayPal Credit on eBay. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.